They'll eat frogs and tadpoles, baby turtles, baby ducks. And I've actually seen a video on the internet of a pelican eating an adult seagull. But I can tell you that was quite a battle. And I don't think they did that very often. Must have been really hungry. I've also had an unconfirmed report from one of our visitors that her friend's a chihuahua got taken by a pelican. But usually they'll eat fish. And when they're fishing, they're actually quite clever birds. They'll often work together to put the fish into a small area to make it easier for them to catch them. So what they'll do is they'll scoop up a whole lot of water with fish out of their beak of theirs. And then they'll press their beak down against the throat. And we do have quite a few people. So kids, can we just have the one fish each to start with until we make sure that everybody's had a go? So you get to the girls. You're going to give it to the girl too? Well done, Blake. Still eating. Have you thrown yet, Bianca? Oh, well done. Beautifully done.
Mom, did he eat one?
He's got a tail first. He just flipped it around so well done.
Oh, nice.
So that's
Picked it
what
up.
they do.
Yeah, they actually flip it around. That shows their beak with the top is actually.
おー、上手。
そうだ
うん、超取れた。食べてるよ。みやちゃんのあげた餌を頬張ってます。
There's one that hasn't gotten any food at all.
Excuse me, Margaret.
Not even one.
Okay. Look at Gramps. Smile. Look at Gramps.
Okay, you can throw it. Look, oh, it's hungry.
Okay, now throw it down. Throw it. Good job.
Behind you, Lance.
Oh, the other one got it.
Yeah, she's touching her.
Oh, no, she put it.
Missed it, missed it.
She's got it on her hand too.
Turn around. It's behind you.
Look at you.
It's trying to get you.
Not eating it?
No.
Sophie.
You just follow that path around.
Sophie and Abby, here they are.
And just in front of it, there's a path.
Now, do you girls want to have a sit down, or do you want to go do a bird first?
Oh. ついた。
Number 2,
Okay, now we are going to start feeding them in a minute, and when we do that, things start to get pretty crazy. So, are there any questions that anybody would like to ask before we go on to the feeding? Robert?
What is this vibration?
It's basically just, it's not acoustical.
Yeah. Nails, like nails in a tree. I wouldn't mind going back into the other area too that had the people that we didn't even really look at. We were zipping through the way of the birch. You guys see this red one up here?
There are over 60 species of lemur. Unfortunately, every single species is endangered. Now I'm going to talk to you a bit about these girls first, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about why they are endangered in a little while. But what I'm giving them, so that they all come out of bed and say hello to you, is their favourites. We've got some sultanas, some raisins, some dates. We do have some pear in here, but they probably won't eat that, so we'll just wait. Yep. We'll wait and give that to the red panda. That's his favourite. Go. She's a bit cheeky. I've got to break up the big bunch of raisins. She tends to take a nice big handful and then run up the tree. you go. Good girl. So they do have a bit of a sweet tooth. As you can see, they are enjoying their raisins and their grapes. They don't just eat sweet fruits. This just is a treat for them to get out of bed. They eat lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of insects, seeds, nuts, and they also eat what we call browse. Now when I talk about browse, I'm just using a fancy word for edible leaves. Lots of browse that they do like to eat are ginger, fig, hibiscus, banana leaf. And out in Madagascar it gets really, really dry, and so they'll actually then